What is up, good people? It's Trayvon Pratt with AIM, always improving the mind, and it is Mindset Monday. Man, today we got a rather simple one, but a lot of people don't do it. Today's Mindset Monday topic is read. Read. Pick up a book, man. Look, we're always improving the mind. We're building the mind, man. You want to build your mindset? Pick up a book. So much knowledge is written, and they say you want to hide something from somebody, put it in a book. Because for some reason we like to avert from reading. We like to, what's up, Raven? Yes, you did, and I'm gonna leave it like that. I ain't gonna edit that out. What's up, Ray? So, read. We're always improving the mind. We're reading. Pick up a book. Look, I understand, like the stigma behind reading. I wasn't a reader either. I was not a reader. What I did was I saw it as a mandatory thing, and me being bullheaded, I'm kind of stubborn. So you tell me that I have to do something, I don't really want to do it. I want to do it on my own. So I was not a reader, and plus, read for 12 years in school. You don't feel like you need to keep on reading. You're done with it. So I understand the stigma behind reading, but I really dived in on it. I realized that, nah, man, reading is a beautiful thing. I definitely make time for reading. Make it a habit, okay? Make it a habit. There's quite a few habits that the successful have, that rich people have, and one of the main ones is reading. And we definitely could go down the list of like the top books that rich people read. But I just finished the book this Sunday, Gifts of Imperfection. I got books, books. Okay, like books are it. I got a whole bookshelf over there that's overflowing. Books are it. So, how I got into reading, right? Because I didn't like reading, I looked for stuff that I would read that I like. I like fantasy. I like playing the game. I like magical stuff. I like to see, all types of like spells or wizardry and stuff like that. So I watch anime. All the anime is based off of what they call manga, which are comic books, which I learned are comic books were created to get kids to start reading. So shout out to them, because that was an excellent idea. Put a lot of pictures and stuff where they create superheroes and stuff, and it just took off. So I started reading mangas and like playing video games that required reading. Like I was, 90s baby, so it's PlayStation 1 action adventure RPG type games. They ain't have no voiceover, so I would have to read all of the dialogue. You talking to people the whole time, and they're giving you directions and all that stuff. I would have to read all of that. So that's how I started reading. But then I started talking to different people. I started talking to successful people about what it is that I'm gonna need, about the mindset of being successful. When I started doing real estate, when I was talking to multimillionaires in real estate, they was all giving me recommendations to books, and I couldn't piece it together. I'm like, I don't really want to read no book, staying away from it. But I was like, it got to be a reason that every one of them who have millions of dollars is telling me, okay, pick this book up. And it's like they wouldn't talk to me no further than that until I got the book, and then we got something to talk about. Obviously, it's something in there, it's a jewel in there that I need to grasp, but I don't know yet. Alright, so I'm feeling lost. I pick up the recommendation, and then I read just like the first few pages, and it's like, wow, this is speaking to me. This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I was thinking, what I was lost on. Listen, when you get lost and you can't find the answers, it's in a book. I can guarantee you. It's in a book somewhere. Even spiritual. When you get lost and you go to God, right? You go to God or whoever you may pray to, there's a book behind it. You go to the Bible, and the scripture might be the right scripture that lifts you up, builds you up. It gives you some type of guidance. It's a book. It's all in the book, man. So make it a habit, all right? Make it a habit. When you don't have the answers, it's in a book. Start off reading what interests you. I started off with video games, and then went to anime, and then went to manga. And once I read like whole series of manga, it was like, okay, I am reading, because the whole series of manga is like 10 books. And each book like 300 pages, and it's real, like it's comic books, but it's still 300 pages that I just read. So then I'm like, okay, I am capable of reading. So then I started looking into the stuff that I actually needed, the self-help, the self-development type of books, mental capacity. You want to build that mental capacity. Look, started off with Zane. You want to build that mental capacity, man. Start reading. It grows, it expands. For one, it builds your patience, which you need a lot of. You're less foolproof because you're willing to read. Somebody tell you, hey, sign this, sign right here. You don't know what you're looking into. You're going to read it if you're a reader. If you're not, you're going to try to skim, but you're not really going to pay attention to it. So I would definitely tell you to start reading. A lot of people don't read because they don't know where to start. You think about it, you got movies and TV shows and stuff. That stuff compared to books just came out. Like they just, I can't tell you, like they just started doing TV like, you know, like in the 50s, and then like that, you know, up till now. But books have been, written word has been centuries, okay? So there's plenty of books. And I get it, you can get lost in like, where do I start, you know? But never fret. I'm here for you guys. You can holler at me, all right? You can holler at me here in the Facebook group, Instagram page, or YouTube page. Drop a comment in the section. Let me know if you have any recommendations for any type of books. If you need any recommendations for any type of books, what are you looking for? What do you want to read? What is this, you know, this obstacle that you're trying to get over, you don't really know? Okay, I got hella recommendations. What's up, Marcus, my brother? So I also do a read and review series on the Instagram page at Always Improving the Mind on Instagram. So if you're not already on that page, follow that page. I do a read and review series, and the books are not limited. These are books that I got local authors. I know local authors. I know credit specialists. I know all types of stuff, man. Like, who have written books on what they know. They're giving the game away when they write the book. You know, you could talk to somebody for 20 minutes and don't soak up all of their knowledge. This person who might have been doing, let's say, credit for the past 20 years, they put it in a book. They're compiling all of the knowledge, wisdom, and experience that they have to put it in one piece and give it away. $10 for that. You can't beat it, man. And all you got to do is read. Stop playing. You can't beat it, man. So I do a read and review series on Instagram. Send me any recommendations you would like me to do, any reviews. I love reading now. I just finished the book Sunday, The Gifts of Imperfection. I'm going to do the review on that later on this week and post that. Also, there are apps. You made it to this far in the live. There are apps for it. Get the app Goodreads. Get the app Goodreads. You want any recommendations? You know, you can start a shelf of whatever books that you read or want to read, and it will give you recommendations per that criteria, you know, so you don't just feel like you're lost. And I got you. The Gifts of Imperfection, because I'm gonna do a review on that. You know, we high achievers. We want to do everything right. We want to be perfect and like start going crazy behind it. So this book really dives on unraveling that. So that Goodreads is the app. Love Goodreads. I've gotten a lot of recommendations, and I've, been able to like piece together information from the recommendations I've gotten from them. That's the main thing I go there for. It's also a community where you can, see other people's reviews and comment and respond to them, and it's like a little cool little book community. So Goodreads, I highly recommend that one. And the other app that a lot of people don't know about is called Overdrive. Now, Overdrive is basically your Audible but free, because what it is Overdrive is an app that taps into your libraries, your local libraries database, and they have the ebooks and audiobooks in their database. So you can literally just sign up and use your library card and check out books online, ebooks and audiobooks online through that app. And you listening to the audiobook for free, man. I mean, come on, bro. Come on. So Overdrive, Overdrive. Okay, I just got word that Libby is another one too, which I will look into. See? Libby, the app called Libby. It's another one for, I'm assuming, for the library resources. But these books are made available to you, okay? If anybody is looking to get started in reading for self-help, self-development, please believe we always improving the mind. It's aim, it's mindset, mentality, and how you think. I highly recommend the first book that you take your journey on, As a Man Thinketh. It's only 40 pages, and it's highly powerful. All right? Look, As a Man Thinketh. Okay? It's Mindset Monday. Trayvon Pratt. Pick up a book. Pick up a book. Pick up a book. Pick up a book, okay? I'm going to keep telling you. I'm going to keep drilling it in. And we got recommendations for days. And I love it, man. Let's keep building. Let's keep winning. Y'all have a great day.